Yo, what's good, everybody? Um, so we are, of course, learning how to code because I suck at coding. YouTube analytics. Road to 1K, of course. We are in this, okay? Now, I'm just gonna be coding. Okay.
Video is sponsored by. We are actually
So right now, I have all of this done. Just like learn.
creating a new type, but financial. How'd that go for you? Don't worry if you get stuck, just keep practicing and you'll get better. Let's add the variables.
Our next video, operators.
This video is sponsored by Kadeco.com. Hey, what's up everyone? Vegetarian Zombie here from Learn, Create, Play to walk you through the world images on the screen. This means you should really celebrate the small successes and be patient with yourself when it takes you a while to understand things. Now, as is, you know how to create variables. You can create variables for hit points and experience points. Yet, what happens when the player kills the boss? How do you increase the player's XP, or how do you increase their hit points when they take damage? Welcome to the world of operators. There's a whole bunch of them, but I'll just introduce you to some of the more common operators. To get started, we will start with the equals sign. In math, we use the equals sign to denote equality. In programming, it's known as the assignment operator. Let's take the following statement. Mathematically, the statement doesn't make much sense. A variable can never equal itself plus 1. Instead, what is happening is that you are incrementing x plus 1, and then you are assigning the result of that. Hundreds of instructors from around the world, you click on and click the plus sign. Select UI and then button Text Mesh Pro. Good work. Now arrange the button so that it is on the bottom of the screen. We're going to create a new script now. Call it My Operators. If you've been following this course, you should already be familiar with creating scripts. Open up the script and update it to the following.
Operators. Okay, so render class.
You've seen this before. It lets us write on the screen. Now let's write a little code to respond to button presses.
What's the variable? Public void display message. What's the void doing there? Oh, oh my gosh. Now we have the variable text mesh pro dot text equal to button click.
This is called a method. We'll be covering methods in later episodes. The key thing to note is all our code goes between the curly braces. Return back to the Unity editor. First, select the text and remove our madlib script from it. Simply find it in the inspector, click the three dots, and select the Remove Component option. Next, drag our myOperator script to it. Excellent. Now for the button.
Oh, did I not save? I didn't think I
Select the button
saved.
and scroll down.
Okay, I didn't save. Congrats, you're 120 subs, bro. Oh, I am? Oh, let's go. 120 subs. Let's
Down
go.
in the inspector until you see the button component. My button is named button 1, so I'm just going to rename it for now. Now look in the inspector. At the very bottom is something marked on click. Click the plus sign beneath it. This provides some options. Don't worry about what they do. Simply drag the text game object to the bottom option. You'll see the drop-down next to it brighten up. Click the drop-down, then find My Operators. From the flyout menu, select the Display Message method. We've just told the button to call that method when the user clicks on it. That's all I'm going to say about this. Right now, you are getting used to working with Unity's user interface from a very high level. You'll have to trust me on this. We want to focus on C# and not get lost in Unity, but we're doing lots of important practice. Think of Daniel-san from Karate Kid. I'm thinking of the 80s version. I never saw the remake. When he did all these monotonous chores, when in fact he was actually building the muscle memory for his karate. That's what we're doing here. Okay, now run the game. And I use the word game in the loosest of terms. And click the button.
Oh.
Great, we got a message on the screen. Okay, let's go back to our code. In our new method, add the following. We've just created a new variable. We don't need a public or private modifier inside a method. You'll learn why in a later episode. Now let's increase it by 10. Update the text. And run the game.
Wait, what was it?
Update the text.
Okay. let's see, I'm here. So squiggly brackets. Delete that. Squiggly brackets XP. Oh, I said two P's. Okay, it's fine. So there's P and P. XP equals XP. Save. Message. $1,000.
And run the game. We get 1,000. We've incremented our variable. You're going to do this a lot, so there is shorthand code for it.